Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mirror of Psychology. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel for more psychology related information. In today's video, I am going to talk about basic parts of the brain and their functions. Our brain lies in our skull. This is how our brain looks from the front. As you can see, there is a groove at the center of the brain. This groove divides our brain into two equal halves. The right side of the brain is known as right hemisphere and the left side of the brain is known as left hemisphere. The right hemisphere controls the left side of our body and the left hemisphere controls the right side of our body. This is how our brain looks from the side. This is the front side of the brain and this is the back side of the brain. Our brain is divided into three basic units. The larger part is known as cerebrum. There is a round small shaped structure at the base of the brain that is known as cerebellum. And then there is brainstem, which is also located at the base of the brain. The cerebrum is divided into four lobes. The first is frontal lobe, which is located at the front side of the brain. Then there is temporal lobe, which is located behind our ears. The third is parietal lobe, which is located behind frontal lobe. And the last is occipital lobe, which is located at the back of the brain. The frontal lobe helps in speech processing, higher executive functions such as problem solving, reasoning, planning, working memory, emotions and movement. The temporal lobe helps in auditory processing and storage of memory. Parietal lobe helps in sensory processing such as touch, pain, temperature, perception and body awareness. And the occipital lobe helps in visual processing and visual perception. This small round shaped structure at the back of the brain is known as cerebellum. This is also known as the little brain. When we turn our brain upside down, this is how cerebellum looks like. Cerebellum helps in coordination of the movement. It also maintains the posture and balance of our body. At the base of the brain, there is a stalk-shaped structure that is known as brainstem. Brainstem regulates the body functions such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure. It also controls reflexes such as coughing and sneezing. It also regulates the transition between sleep and wakefulness. If we cut our brain from this center, then this is how the inside of the brain looks like. This is cerebrum. Below the cerebrum, there is a oval shaped structure known as thalamus. The thalamus works as a sensory relay station. It is known as the traffic police of the brain. Just as a traffic police regulates the traffic to avoid chaos, similarly the sensory information that comes from the various sensory organs of our body goes to thalamus, and thalamus from there redirects this sensory information to various parts of the brain for further processing. Below the thalamus, there is a small structure known as hypothalamus. Hypothalamus helps as homeostasis regulator, which means it regulates the internal balance of our body. It maintains the temperature and hunger and thirst. It also works as an endocrine regulator, which means it directs pituitary gland to secrete various hormones to help in various functions of our body. Hypothalamus also helps in emotional responses. Deep within the temporal lobe, there lies a structure known as hippocampus. It is a seahorse shaped structure. Hippocampus helps in memory consolidation, which means it helps in transfer of short-term memory into long-term memory. This is cerebellum and this is brainstem. Their functions we have already discussed. So this is it. If you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Let's meet in the next video with a new topic.